Are you looking to elevate your event with some splash-tastic fun? Look no further than Kealoha Events. We're your destination for unforgettable waterslide rentals in Fresno, California. At Kealoha Events, we offer an extensive range of inflatable water slides, perfect for cooling off and having a blast in the California sun. From towering slides to twisty-turny adventures, our selection promises endless excitement for all ages at any event across Fresno, California. But it's not just about the slides. At Kealoha Events, we pride ourselves on delivering top-notch service and ensuring your Fresno event is a hit from start to finish. Whether it's a backyard barbecue, a neighborhood block party, or a citywide festival, our dedicated team is here to make it unforgettable. Safety and cleanliness are our top priorities at Kealoha Events. Each water slide undergoes meticulous inspection and sanitization before and after every use, ensuring a worry-free experience for our Fresno customers. And with our hassle-free delivery service, you can rest easy knowing that everything will be set up and ready to go right on time. Ready to make a splash at your next event in Fresno, California? Visit www.kealohaevents.net, category water slides, or call 559-274-3715 to book your waterslide rental today. Kealoha Events, where the fun never stops in Fresno.